Other fireworks are just too dangerous to even be legal right here in the valley. And if you get caught setting them off, you could be fined up to $1,000. So to help us figure out what's legal and what's not, we're actually here with Adam Buck from a partner at Radix Law. Thank you so much for being here this morning.
Oh, no problem. Thank you.
We are seeing all these stands pop up all over the valley. What should people know? When can they buy them and when can they start using them?
Well, legally, you can start buying them June 24th.
Okay.
And then you can use them till July 6th.
Okay.
That's when it's legal.
Okay.
You also have a little period during Christmas and New Year's.
Okay.
So December 24th to June 3rd are also legal.
So if you don't use them, you have to save them until that second window
Yes.
over there. And so what is legal? Are all fireworks? I mean, how do you know?
Well, we have three different categories, I would say. Some are legal year-round. They're the sparklers, smoke bombs, the poppers that you throw on the ground.
Yep.
Those are legal all the time. Okay. The other things that are legal during these time periods, you've got the spinners that spin on the ground.
Right, I've seen those.
The fountains, that blow up sparks. And then you have the stuff that's illegal all the time.
Okay.
Those are the aerials. Those are the bottle rockets, firecrackers.
Okay.
So things like that are always, unless you have a permit. Now you see the commercial events that use those, but if you don't have a permit, those are illegal all the time.
Right, you can't use them. And so where can people set them off, though? Can it be in their neighborhood, or what if they're going camping up north?
Most people do it on their own property or right in the street in front of their house, and that's fine. If you're going into like an HOA common area, you better check the CCNRs to make sure that you don't have restrictions on where you can light fireworks.
Right.
If it's in the city, there are city codes that regulate that. So I would stay away from common areas or city parks or things like that. Just stick to your home, and that's where you'll be best served there.
And I think I was reading online, different cities have different rules when it comes to fireworks, too.
Yeah.
So is it important to check those cities' ordinances, stuff like that?
Yes. And the general rule is if you can buy them, here they're legal.
Okay.
The problem is people go out of state.
Right.
They might go to Mexico. They bring these back, and then they light them off. And if you get caught, it's a $1,000 fine or more.
Yeah, so it's a $1,000 fine. So who is that? The police? Do they give you a ticket, or how does that work?
Yeah, you can get fined if they catch you. The hard part is, it's hard for police to find who's actually doing it, because you just see it shoot up in the sky and explode.
Right.
Or you hear this big thunderous boom in the neighborhood. Right. And it's hard to find out really where it is.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for all these great tips this morning. We really appreciate all of your time and your advice. Don't do it. You'll get fined a lot of money.
That's
so thank you so much. Well, if you want to leave the fireworks to the pros, we've got you covered.